Main track number 1, eastbound. We're at milepost 64.6 at Lower Sworthout Crossing. Blue Cut, Cajon Pass, USA. We caught this train about 30 minutes ago, just coming around the San Bernardino hub, a few miles outside of that, and got it from the other side, so make sure you look for that video. That was in Vermont, so we came up here and decided to get the other side. There's two sides to every train, you know. Hope everybody had a good week and look forward to another one. Oh, there's our friend. I got a lot of paint for you people that like the graffiti. Got a fish here. Looks like somebody wrote "not today" on it. Too bad. Nice paint work there. We might go get this train one more time. We'll see. Already leapfrogged it once. I'm sure we can do it again before it gets to the summit. But we'll see what happens. We're just out here today riding the waves. Whatever comes our way, we're gonna jump on it and do our best. Train looks like it's going pretty slow. It already tied down once in Vermont, so it's definitely not very high priority. Looks like it's going to tie down. Sure enough. Yeah, it's going to tie down. I don't know if we're going to see it tie down, but it's definitely stopping. They do that quite a bit right here. Some switches to our east here, and they let a lot of trains go by that are higher priority. Might as well go ahead and stop. If you're going to stop, let's do it here. Goes. Well, there's definitely another train coming in there. Like I say, there's some switches up there, and they're probably gonna. A lot of trains come down through Sullivan Curve on 1 and 2. They may be gonna tie down and let a train go from one transfer to number 2, swing around this one. So we'll probably stay here. No problem catching this train again if it leaves. Well, thanks for watching. What are we gonna do, bud? Bud says, let's go check out the train. All right, we're gonna have to follow Bud here. He wants to see what's going on with these guys. Maybe they didn't follow the instructions. But he can be pretty meticulous. Well, please share with your family and friends. Give us a big thumbs up. Everything helps the channel. We just busted through 9,000 subscribers. Now we're shooting for 10. Couldn't do it without each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We will catch you on the next one.